Hi, welcome back. I'm Jane. I love to garden. I'm just in my yard playing with color. This one's so pretty. It smells amazing. So I kind of snapped off a little piece. So I'm going to go around the yard and see what looks beautiful with this light peach. Come along. That purple, every one of those colors look amazing with it. The really light white cream back there looks really good. These together, I didn't think I would put those together at all, but it actually has shades of that color in it too. Isn't that crazy? The dark would be awesome, but I'm not picking off the Japanese maple. That light pink works. These daylilies that just popped, I don't think those work. How can it even work with that? This peach goes with every color. Look at this pink. It's like the perfect rose. All right, let's go over here. My very first time winter sowing nigella, or even growing nigella. Those all work. Those look really good together. Look at this winter sown amaranth. I love those two together. Those are pretty. It looks good with the Jupiter's beard because it pulls out some of that pink. Looks good with the white. I have my hose on over here, so it's going to be kind of loud for a minute. There's more of that peach rose. Here might be one that it doesn't work with. I don't think those two work together. But you'd be surprised. Put it in a bouquet and pull out different colors. Nope. Ooh, should I take some daisies? Ooh, I might. These bolted carrots look so cool. Let's see what it looks like next to this. Isn't that fun? Oh, that's so fun. Double the light shines. I don't know if it works in this bouquet though. Look at my giant lilies. Yep, I think they work together. But I'm making a short bouquet, I'm not making a giant one. So I don't think I'll put it in this time. I might have to get a couple sprigs of the nigella right there. Look at this. It works. That's crazy. It's almost too big. If I found some small ones, yep, like these little small ones, those are great. Maybe a small lily would work. Yeah, those are pretty. I might choose one of those. The yellow's a little bright. Look at my giant lilies. So they do work. Like if I had a smaller one like that, that would be pretty. Maybe I'll grab that tiny one right there. Let's go look over here. I don't think these colors go. Believe it or not, it pulls out the yellow. I think it works just fine. Those colors work. I love those together, but this is not tall enough yet. Oh, that's pretty actually. Lamb's ear? Yep, lamb's ear works. I kind of like this piece down here that doesn't have any purple in it yet. Wow, my eyeliner lilies. Ooh, this would look good with it. This is a catmint. I could take some catmint. This is a rudbeckia about to open. Got some bright yellow. Those don't work. But I love these pinks. That is beautiful. We have some pinkish roses. They're kind of on their way out. We got yarrow. I don't think I'm going to pick that yarrow. Those are pretty together. This is pretty together. What do you think? Does it take away or does it add? I think it adds to it. Look at that. I couldn't just choose one peach rose. I had to get a whole bunch of them. So it all started with this little peach rose that I snapped off. And it was kind of fun. I went around my yard to see what colors worked with this gorgeous. It's called Queen of Night Rose. Let me show you what I chose. This is what I ended up choosing, and it almost looks like a bouquet all by itself. But I'm going to make a bouquet in this size, and I'm going to make a bouquet in this size with all these gorgeous flowers that I picked from my yard. The ones I've never worked with. Look at this nigella. These are not coreopsis. These are corabelle blooms. Catmint is kind of stinky. I don't like the smell of catmint very much. Oh, my nigella is getting some black stuff on it. So some of them are going to have to go to the small one because they're just not very big at all. And then I have lamb's ear, larkspur like I have behind me, nigella, and all those gorgeous peach roses. Look at this color of spirea. Can you get it to focus? Isn't that beautiful? And then I have this cool grass. I can get more of that if I need. This is a winter sown night and day snapdragon. All these snapdragons were winter sown. There's some more of that cool pink. And then I did a couple lilies. Got some pink ones. This is the only one I wasn't quite sure fit was the daisies, but we'll see. Okay, my husband's going to come out here and record while I put two bouquets together. Hi, my husband's helping me record because it's hard to do it with two hands. I'm going to work on this size with a little jelly jar, and then I have that. So I just started with 3 branches of nigella. I think I'm going to do this size first, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just playing. I think I'm going to grab some. Those are gorgeous. These are spirea branches. 1, 2, 3 in there. And this is the shorter one. So I'm going to do the peach rose in a minute. Look at that. That is a coral bell spike. Isn't that fun? These are gorgeous. That is pretty. I do have I have a couple more back over there, but I don't want to take down my bush. I still want it to look pretty out there. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, those colors are making me happy. This is the night and day snapdragon. Okay, we're going to put some gorgeous lamb's ear in there. Can you see this, what I'm doing? I'm going to open it up just a little bit more. These colors are so pretty. Another lamb's ear. Okay, I think I'm going to pop one of these in. Look how pretty this lily is. I'm going to pop it right in the middle. That's pretty. Of course, that's my longest stem. Okay. The nigella are just way too small. If these nigella were longer, that would be pretty with that one. I'm going to do, let's see, what should I play with now? 1, 2, 3. Let's get another one of these. Kind of breaking it into 3. Look at this. This is just the beginning of, it might be too limp, of a flamingo feather celosia. So I have 2 of those. Let's see if we can find them in here. Right there. This is pretty. Oh my gosh. I haven't even started to put the orange roses in yet. I meant peach. Okay, we're going to put a couple peach roses in. Here we go. Let's see. 1 peach rose. Oh my gosh. Is that pretty? Does that go? I think it goes. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, let's put a couple more peach roses in. Come on, get out. Put one on the edge. Pretty. I'm going to do another one over here. Okay, between the peach roses, I have a couple more lilies. We're going to put another darkish lily over there. And I think I only have 1 sprig of this light pink lily. So once again, I'm going to kind of open up the center. I think I want to switch this one out for the center. I'm going to put that one over there, and I'm going to take the center, and I'm going to go right down the center. It's fun to lift and lower the sides. So if you don't love the way it looks, just keep playing with it. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. That needs to come down a bit. All right, let's see. This might be done for the one. I love this amaranth right here. Look how it looks against that. It's gonna have to go by itself with just a peach in the small one because it's not long enough for this one. Okay, what else do I need? I think I want one of these really tall fun guys right down the center, the very center of it. Or not. Let's see if we can do that again. There we go. And then kind of, now I lost my stem. Which one are you? I don't know where the stem went. Anyway, I want to pull that down a little bit, I think. It actually looks kind of cool spiky, but I don't know where it went. I found it. I'm going to pull it down just a little more. Okay, I think this one is done. And I'm losing some flowers over here. So this one's going to go in this one, I think. Let me cut them all the same. That is beautiful. And then that is really fun. That was fun. Okay, there's the first one. This one's kind of the more long one. Oh, those colors are making me happy. All right, now I'm going to try to do it in here. Let's see what I can do. I'm not very good at putting them in the jar, but I tried it the other day and it was really fun. So I'm going to try to do greenery first. All right, I'm not loving the way this one's coming together. I'm going to build it in my hand and I'll be right back. I feel more comfortable building it in my hand. I'm not quite sure how to get the height in the jar yet. So I'm just at the end of putting some stuff in.
There was a bee. There you are.
It likes my flowers already. That's awesome. That is really beautiful. I'm just going to add the rest of these in. So what do you think about that? I don't know if it works with this. Maybe it does. These are called larkspur, and maybe it gives it a little bit of height. Yep, that's pretty. And then I have the catmint that stinks. I don't think catmint smells very good. It just is weird. I don't know if I like the catmint. I got some more larkspur, and I think it's going to look really good in this one. Here's the last piece. This is a bloom from a heuchera. It's beautiful. So now I'm done. I have 2 beautiful bouquets to gift to some friends. That was a lot of fun. See you next time. Bye.